Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add LiveChat via Google Tag Manager. All right, so first up, go to your LiveChat account, go to the bottom left, click on the gear icon or settings icon. Now just copy the code snippet right here. Okay, if you can't find it, make sure that under channels, you have install LiveChat clicked. Okay, click on copy code. Now go ahead and go to your tag manager. Okay, in here, open up your container. Wait for it. Now in here in this panel, in the left panel, just click on tags. Then we're going to create new. Okay. Now give it a title. For example, just maybe a live chat to website. Okay. Now let's go ahead and click on tag configuration right here. In the right panel, choose custom HTML. Okay. Click on it. Now go ahead and paste the copied code from LiveChat. Now go ahead and add in a trigger right here. Click on trigger. In this section right here, just basically select a trigger to determine when that tag should fire. Okay, for most websites, you will want the chat to appear on every page. So in this case, we're going to go ahead and click on all pages, okay, as your trigger. So tick on it. Now, if you want the chat to appear on only certain pages, you can create a new trigger and select conditions right here. Just click on this plus sign. Okay, if you just want to, just make sure to specify the correct URL conditions. Okay. Now, once that's done, click on add, save. Now just go to the top right, click on submit and add a version name and description. Then just basically click on publish right here. Okay. That is it. That is how you add LiveChat via Google Tag Manager. I hope this video helped and I'll see you in the next one.